తిరుచానూరులో సీఎం చంద్రబాబు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
Doing all these things, and also in Gajulamandiyam I am very happy. I really appreciate them. They have started skill development center, especially for youth. This is where GI, plumbing, polythene and electrofusion welding, and also so many skills they are providing which are all related. This household gas connections and everything. So with all these things, again, I am very happy to associate with this program. It is nearer to my heart. From the beginning, I am for reforms. First time in India, power sector reforms we have brought in 1999. That is the first power sector reforms in the country itself. From then onwards, there is a regulation commission were set up first time, and also all our distribution companies, and also as a matter of fact that is the first reform in the country on utilities. After that, telecom has come, roads have come, airports have come, all infrastructure has come. Today, this is the biggest sector in India which is moving reforms in energy sector. I can say one thing, on green hydrogen also, India is having abundant opportunities. One is solar, wind. Andhra Pradesh is very strategically located for pumped energy. That is another advantage. Ultimately, we have to go for battery. So these are all the things are coming for energy sector. But at the same time, CNG is having, natural gas is having so much of demand because of clean energy. So both if we can merge, then we can make Andhra Pradesh one of the most cleaner place, and also we can take green energy towards green hydrogen, and then we can export global community. That is our aim. I want to create more and more employment, and at the same time I want to reduce the cost of fuel so that I can compete my products globally. That is our determination. I am very happy, and also for all of you, happy Sankranti also. On Sankranti, gas is also very important, CNG is also very important, and also clean gas is very important. Just now, I went to one house, within 2 minutes, safe way, we are able to get coffee also. I prepared coffee along with them. Then we served them also. They are very happy. So these are all the trends are coming today. I am very happy to associate with this. I am appealing them. Our government is very, very friendly towards investment. Investment is very, very important. Then only we will go for industrialization and employment generation. If we develop, then only we will create wealth. If we create wealth, then only we will get more and more resources for the government to spend on welfare. That is where we are working towards the direction. Even in Andhra Pradesh, we are going for natural farming. This is one of the biggest projects we are working, no fertilizer, no pesticides, everything. Even natural farming, we are using almost all new technologies, either drone or satellite or mechanization, everything we are working, so that everywhere we are going for new technologies, where we are all talking only natural gas. I am talking about natural food also. Everybody should have natural food, no pollution, then environment should be clean, no air pollution, then we can have a better and best living standards. That is where this government is working. In this, we need more and more partners to join with us to do this type of activities. For that, I really appreciate AG and P. Pratham. Welcome to them. They are going to invest all 10,000 crores. My secretary, my ministry is here. Right away, I am assuring them we will extend all the cooperation. They asked me one or two questions or supporting them. One is LPG we are giving. Why can't you extend the subsidy for us also so that we can provide same service 15-20% cost effective? That also we'll consider, and also if necessary we will work in the direction. Second is all temples, even safe cooking through natural gas. That is what they are asking. Even we will examine that also. Wherever it is possible, we will extend all the cooperation. But my commitment is only my stakeholders, cost-effective natural gas. If you provide cost-effective compared to other fuel, I am prepared to work with you and extend all the cooperation. With this, again and again, happy Sankranti, best of luck. Everybody is coming now, so much of crowds in the villages, all roads are blocked today since 3 days. Our people are settled everywhere globally. Now most of them are coming for Sankranti festival. I welcome them, and also I am appealing them, be with your people and also your Janmabhoomi, and at the same time think future. By 2047, Telugu community globally will be number one. Once Japanese are number one globally, they used to go anywhere, set up industries. Our people are also doing now same thing. They are the best entrepreneurs, but Japan is far ahead because of so many years. So we want to work with Japan. I always impressed Japanese culture, work ethics, and hard work, and it has become legacy. It is in our genes. Same Telugu people are working with smart. I am asking my people, don't do hard work, do smart work by using technology, and you will be the global leaders. That is what we are working. I wish all the best. Good luck. Thank you, Ananda.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I now request Mr. Abhilash Gupta to felicitate our Honorable Chief Minister Garu, MD and CEO, AGNP Pratham. Mr. Abhilash Gupta will now felicitate and honor our Honorable Chief Minister Garu. Thank you, sir. And marking on this special occasion, I request CM